this is an unboxing for all you unboxing fans. Quite a big box. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It's some LED lights, light bulbs I should say really. Now this obviously did have a label on, and removed the label off. Don't want the address going on to these are folding scissors. I've had these many years now. Get that out, that's just an invoice. Don't know what this is about. Just an advert basically, I think. And then looks like there's another box in here. JCB, well known bulldozer sort of place. Let's turn this upside down. Nothing else in the box there. Yeah. I'm surprised there wasn't any sort of packing to stop this moving about. So there's supposed to be 8 of these 100 watt replacements. Bayonet Cap, that's UK, 85% less energy. So I would say 1000 lumens is the minimum that most people would probably want. Lasts up to 10 years. Now I've already had some, I think, well, a different make to these, and some have lasted and some just conked out after a few months. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and these can obviously could have moved about a bit in here, but then they are in these boxes. Level A plus. Why isn't it like the double A? Supposed to be energy efficient. So if this is a bit dark here. I think that's like the colour temperature. I did ask for cool white, by the way. Hope these are them. I'd rather have daylight. So there should be somewhere near daylight. I think I like cool white. You can get warm white. Oh, the barcode is that way, isn't it? Is it? No, the barcode is that way. Sorry. So I'll just hold that on there. You might be able to print or scan that in. Okay, let's get this open. Like a piece of card on the top. Right. And there we are. So yep, bayonet. JBC 220 240 50 watt 6500 K. That's a colour temperature, so it's claimed. Right, I've got a, just a second, I've got a normal bulb here when I can find it. So this is the LED, and this is a 60 watt clear bulb, as you say, bayonet. You can see the size. So there's tendency for the LED ones to be quite a bit bigger, and you've got to consider that if they're trying to fit in somewhere. See, it's quite a bit taller. This is double, well, light output, 100 watt. This is a 60 watt bulb, but maybe a little bit smaller than a normal 100 watt bulb, but about the same size. So you get an idea of the physical size there. The bayonet cap, same size basically. Now you can get screw threads, Edison screw ES. Right, I'm going to put this in and we'll see what it looks like. Right, as you see, I do have the curtains open. It is daytime. Well, first of all, I'm going to show you this one. This is a fluorescent one. Like having this table lamp here, to get an idea of that. Right, I'm going to put this, just let me check actually. So this is a 60 watt, whatever they call them, just a normal filament type bulb. Pop that in there, turn it on, let you have a look at that. See how bright that is again in daylight. So this is the fluorescent one, coil. Right, okay, let's put this LED one in. Particularly with incandescent ones, that can soon get very hot. So let me see that's hot already, even though it's only been on a minute or two. I'm going to use this hanky to protect my hands a bit. Right, that's in. Turn it on. See, it comes on instantly. One thing about LED bulbs, they do switch on instantly, and you can see how white that is. If you look at the white, especially at the background compared with the other bulbs. Pretty bright, as you see. Right, I'll close the curtains. Now LED bulbs can also get pretty warm. They don't tend to give off heat like outside, but the actual units inside can get quite warm, so you have to watch the wattage and things. This is like a table lamp. I don't like this table lamp actually, because it does cut out an awful lot of lamp with the shade here. So that's it with the curtains closed. As you see, there's still daylight coming in. Always turn off. So now that's cool. The base is cool. Pop this fluorescent one back in, so you can turn it on. Notice, as I say, the colour, particularly on this wall up here, that's like dimmer. So actually, even though this has been down here a few moments, it's still warmish. I mean, I wouldn't call it hot any longer. I'll put this on a few seconds. So that's a 60 watt incandescent. And see how that's the colour, particularly up here. I think you can probably see the colour up there. It's like the colour temperature. So I'll just show you this box again. Presume that's ours. Why it's A plus and not double A plus, I don't know. There's about the colour temperatures. This one is claimed to be daylight 6500K. That's a colour rating. You should always make sure that your bulbs do have this on apparently. That's to sort of give an idea of the colour, I think. 10,000 hours, so it claims. 10,000 plus on off, so you can turn it on and off 10,000 times before it might fail. Instant, presumably on. Not dimmable. You can't use normal dimmable things with this. 130 angle beam, mercury free, 230, 240, 50, 60 hertz. Make sure you get the right voltage for your thing. BC bitless bayonet cap. You can get screw caps. Just standard there, 22 I think. 132 millimeters high, 70 millimeters diameter. 85% less energy. So you can save money so long as they last like time and don't conk out like 2 of mine I've done. I bought 5 I think, if I remember right. Oh, not this make, a different make, and that's one up here. I'm actually, well, it's actually on now. That one is a different make, and 2 of these are, well, I bought 5 and 2 have already failed. It just went ping like that, and well, not loud, but made a click, and then come back on. So 2 out of 5 of those have failed in I would say 6 months or so. So they haven't lasted the time for these makes. I cannot say for these because these have literally only just come today, the JCB ones. Okay, so that's a bit of a look at them. Not exactly a review. So bought 8.